First thing you're going to want to do to use one of these return kiosks is you actually just want to go to the very front of the store, which you can actually find them just by the door of the Whole Foods like so. Now, once you found the kiosk, you can actually just approach it just like I'm doing so here, and you actually see the option on the home screen where you can simply just go down here and you actually see the option to scan your QR code just on your phone. Now, to get this QR code, you actually need to be returning your item just through the Amazon app and just select the Whole Foods return option, and it'll give you a QR code to your Amazon account that you can scan on the bottom of the screen right here. It will simply be a drop box to actually drop off your package or whatever you're actually trying to return. You don't need to print out a QR code or anything prior to this. And basically after you scan your QR code, you drop it in the box and it will say you're getting your refund. And if your item is too big to be dropped in this drop box that is right next to it, what you need to do is you need to go to the desk, which is right next to it, and you can basically give them your item if it is too big to fit in the box, and they'll just take it behind the counter and you're simply good to go. You do not have to talk to the person and make human contact if your item is small, such as the ones that fit in the box. And basically that's all you need to do. If you found this helpful, leave a like and subscribe down below, and thanks for watching. Have a great day.